Good afternoon. Nothing too extreme from the looks of things in our weather for the next 2 or 3 days. Possibly though, the end of the week looking a little bit more turbulent, and we will be driven by the Atlantic, already the next front showing its hand, and already we have some cloudier skies across northern England, across Wales and Western England, with some showers around. Now those showers are tending to break up, and they will continue to do so as they push southwards and eastwards, but there's much more dry weather and sunshine for Scotland, for Northern Ireland. Just a few showers for the northeast of Scotland. Still a chilly breeze here. For most though here, Scotland, Northern Ireland, as the showers fade, with the sunshine, the lighter winds, it feels a little bit warmer. And it does further south as well, given the lighter winds, but one or two of these showers could turn a bit thundery for the Midlands and East Anglia later in the day, and if so, they'll rumble on into the evening before fading. And then we get clearer skies again in the south overnight, a little bit of chilly weather, possibly some fog for the commute and lasting a little after dawn, so do watch for that. But it's all changed further north. We've got breezier weather pushing in cloud and more persistent rain by the morning, so a much milder night on the whole. But it does mean a dull day for the start of our new working week. Dull, damp and breezy. The bright weather's likely to hang on in the south, and the rain should tend to fizzle out as the day goes on this weather front. But what it will do is introduce a lot of low cloud over the hills. So some fog over the hills and around the coasts as well. Quite a breeze, and the skies will turn progressively cloudy, just hanging on to that hazy sunshine further south and east once that fog, that early morning fog, clears away. And actually temperatures will be a little up on today's, despite the breeze and the cloud, because it's a slightly warmer air direction for us, or wind direction coming in from the southwest, and we hold on to that for a few days because our weather front, very little rain left on it, but it's still there as a band of cloud, will meander southwards and then northwards again through Tuesday and Wednesday. So look how mild it will be as we go into Tuesday rather, so tomorrow night. And as I say, that's because we've got this Atlantic, rather humid air as that weather front remains with us. And we'll keep that for probably Monday, Tuesday and much of Wednesday before it's pushed away by the northwesterly breeze returning. So for Tuesday, there'll be quite a lot of cloud even further south, but there'll be some holes coming through. So some sunshine in eastern parts of England, but also at the same time, our weather front reinvigorates and pushes north into Northern Ireland and southwest Scotland for some fairly wet weather. Perhaps the northeast of Scotland, actually quite warm, but there'll be quite a brisk wind, so that's helping to break the cloud up here. That pulse of rain pulls away, the weather front sinks southwards. Again, there'll be some rain on it, but at the moment it looks like a fairly weak affair. So on Wednesday, certainly cloudier skies drifting southwards with some rain, but it's still warm. It's the chillier air, though, following to the northwest we'll notice for parts of Scotland after 22, possibly on Tuesday, just 15 or 16 by Wednesday. But at least that pushes in a ridge of high pressure for a day at least. So at the moment, Thursday is looking like the driest day of the week for most of us. A little bit chilly to start again, so the chilly nights return. But by the end of play on Thursday, once again, the Atlantic influences are coming in with cloudier skies, with some rain and a strengthening wind. And there's the question mark really for the end of the week. This area of low pressure looks quite potent, and the computer models are not quite in agreement at the moment, but it does look set to turn more unsettled with a succession of low pressures moving in off the Atlantic, bringing some wetter and windier weather potentially. But for most of us this week, there will be a lot of cloud at times, but some drier weather, particularly in the south.